Hello, this is Kara from Kara Tarot. Today I just have something very short and very fun. It's hashtag Arcana Battle, a video response to El Bateleur, and thanks to 78 Puertas for telling me about it. You use only the major arcana. This is something that can be done to choose a signifier card for a larger reading, for a one-card reading, or when you get down to the last two, you could use those two cards for a two-card reading. You probably want to use a deck that you're not as familiar with, a deck that you may not already have well-known favorites from, because the whole point of this is to be more instinctual and to just very quickly choose one card over the other. I chose the Elemental Tarot because I don't use this deck quite as much as others, and also because this deck switches up the names of some of the major arcana, so I don't even have that name recognition. I'm just going more on color, shape, and name very quickly to choose one over the other. Take the major arcana cards out of your deck. You don't have to put them in order because you're just going to shuffle them anyway. After they're shuffled, lay out two and quickly choose one. Then pull the next card and choose amongst those two, and keep going until you're all the way through the deck. When you're down to the last one or the last two, as I said, you can either use this for a one-card reading, a signifier, or use both cards for a reading. Have fun.